Hi all, Terhi Koskinen here. I'm first time playing with January 2020 hip kits, and I'm going to prepare some fun Valentine's Day cards. I picked up some pink paisley Lucky Us papers, some cardstock and vellum, and one paper from Pink Fresh Studio. First I'm going to cut with my lovely new paper trimmer from Via Memory Keepers some base for the cards. They are the biggest one is 3.5 and 5-inch long, and then the rest are smaller. I'm not good at measuring things. I'm usually doing things and not focusing on measuring everything. And you can actually see that if you take a close look to my creations. But anyway, I cut these with lovely punch board from Jen Hatfield and Via Memory Keepers, and now I'm attaching them together the way that there's cardstock first from also January Hip Kit, and then a vellum piece, and then some patterned paper with this lovely glitter tape. I also cut some flowers with the same papers you can see here. I used one of my dies. I'm losing all the words, but don't worry. I got them and I'm going to layer them using some 3D foam to make sure that they are really dimensional. I'm adding this lovely glitter tape to make some. I love to see different materials on my creations, so this glitter is something exciting for the cards, and I'm going to add also some thread and things like that, so there's all kinds of layers. This is the way I'm going to set these. The frame is the other side from one of the papers, that lovely green and white, and it's also one of my dies that I use to make the frame, but you can make it with normal scissors or paper trimmer or anything. It's super easy to do the frames, and if you want me to show the tutorial for how to use them, just leave a comment and I will do so. I'm gluing down the big blooms, and I'm also using 3D foam to make sure that they are thick enough. There's a lot of dimension and there's place to attach more things between the base and the embellishments. The leaves are from Ephemera pack from Pink Fresh Studio, and I really love the way that black and white is there to support the flower and to support the message I'm going to give to my friends with these cards. It's like everything is supporting the story of saying love to friends. Anyway, I'm attaching these small circles in the middle of each bloom, and then some of these lovely glitter enamel dots. They are kind of the middle part of the bloom. For the papers, I'm again using 3D foam. Actually, I'm always using 3D foam, except with the thread I'm also using glue, because the 3D foam will not secure the blooms if there's no glue between. But then I'm not sure if I want to add black message to each card, so I'm first picking up some lovely hearts from these Pink Paisley Lucky Us stickers, and then I'm going to write XOXO to one of the cards, but not to all. I don't want them to be too black, but that one on the left side is looking like that glitter tape is like made for a message, so I'm adding some XOs there. I don't mind that one on the right, where I added that green heart saying kiss me, is partly covered with the bloom. You can actually see, if the card is on your hand, you can actually see the whole phrase or the words, but from the top you can't see it. And I really like that kind of exciting projects that you can actually have to look to see it completely, and not like just with one look taking all in. You have to focus on it if you want to really see it, and that's fun. I'm always excited to do layered crafts. The last, or maybe not the last, but I'm finishing off these cards with adding some ribbon. I'm not actually sure where this ribbon is from. I got a Christmas gift, and I can throw these beautiful things away, and I think this ribbon matches perfectly with the glitter tape you can see. So I'm using my stapler to give it a really good attaching and another what's the word? Anyway, another kind of thing when you can see there's a horses live in the stable. Okay, so you know what I mean. There's lots of everything going on the cards, and I love that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope we will see you again soon, if not here, then on my own YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye!